tasty and sweet in my lunch today. D is for ball. B is for ball, ball, arms it high, don't let it fall. C is for cat. C is for cat, it's a cat, meow meow. How about that? D is for dog. D is for dog, dog, wag your tail and run through the fog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Elephant, big long trunk and ears so elegant. F is for fish. F is for fish. F, fish, swim, swim, swim and swish, swish, swish. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe, stretching high for a leafy snack. H is for hat. H is for hat, put it on and tip it like that. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. Ice cream, cold and sweet, it's a tasty dream. J is for jelly. J is for jelly. Jelly, wiggles around in my happy belly. K is for kite. K is for kite. Kite, fly it high in the sky so bright. L is for lion. L is for lion. Lion, roar so loud there's no denying. N is for moon. N is for moon, the moon glowing bright like a silver balloon. N is for nest. N is for nest, and the nest, baby bird sleeping getting the rest. O is for octopus. Octopus, 8 long arms, come swim with us. P is for panda. Panda, black and white, so soft and grander. P is for panda. Panda, rolling around in the bamboo land. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Queen, wearing a crown, she looks so keen. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. Our rainbow colors shine after raindrops flow. S is for sun. S is for sun, shining down on everyone. T is for train. T is for train, choo choo chugging down the lane. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. U umbrella, raindrops fall but I'm under my umbrella. V is for violin. V is for violin. Violin, play it soft, let the tune begin. W is for whale. W is for whale. Double whale, splashing high with a giant tail. X is for xylophone. X is xylophone, ting ting ting, such a happy tone. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Y will yo-yo, up and down, watch it go, go, go. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra, stripes of black and white, see you later.